So I'm sure you are wondering why US oil needs to be on your watch list. So well, I'm sure you've heard about what is going on in Iran, and anything that happens in the region is going to affect the prices of oil, and that means oil is going to be volatile. So in general, when we are trading as forex traders, we are interested in volatility. So the prices of oil is something that is of interest, especially with Iran and the whole sub-region, because of the OPEC countries around that area. And we can see for the past 3 days, so this is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we can see the big daily volatility. And on Thursday, the market slowed down, and we can see so much volatility if you go. So let me put so this week alone, you can appreciate the amount of volatility in oil. Right? So much pushes in the market. We are big dump here, consolidation, big push, and price pushing back down, which presented multiple trading opportunities. Like we had price dumping all the way here, head and shoulders push. So there was at least three major opportunities: sell, buy, sell, and this is all from Wednesday, right? And the market was kind of relaxed Monday, Tuesday. So the tension in the region has just begun, and we would expect this kind of volatility to continue, and that is why you need to keep an eye on oil. So here on the 4-hour time frame on US oil, there were some trade opportunities that were obvious. So here we can see that we had this level here, signaling a potential drop in the market, consolidation break and retest. If you a demand and supply trader, you can spot and appreciate this engulfing candle here. Price test the region and we drop here. But in the long run, what is happening in Iran is generally going to affect supply, because if there is disturbance in supply chain, what is going to happen is supply is going to drop. When supply drops, it's going to cause demand to increase, and when demand increases, price is going to push up. So long term, the effect of what is happening in Iran is going to cause oil prices to push up, and from what we've seen so far, the prices are rather pushing to the downside. So in this case, what we need to keep an eye on is the current price action. So price is coming into a very critical level, which is this low here. So if price is going to push up, it doesn't need to take out this high here. So that is one this low here. So that's one thing we need to keep an eye, which means we need to see to it that price doesn't close below this low here. And if it doesn't, it means around this region here, somewhere here, we should be expecting some kind of a reversal pattern taking place. So it's either here or even around this level here. Price should be looking to create some sort of reversal pattern or come down, create a reversal pattern. And long term, we'll be looking to buy this. So at least if we get that kind of confirmation, we'll be looking at price coming back at least to this level. And if we break it, we'll continue going up. And that's where we come into the daily perspective. That is the same low. In that case, we'll be looking at price potentially taking out the high here. So it looks kind of decent. If you're looking at it from the bearish perspective, it looks like we have a big dump here and price has the potential to fall. But for now, we'll just take it one step at the other and look at the low here and not think long term for now. If we take out the low, then we know that okay, we are bearish. But for now, we need to treat it as it is. We have a push up creating a high here, but price comes down, doesn't take out the low. That's how we need to keep at it for now. So yes, keep US oil on your watch list, and we'll monitor this together next week.